Hello, Ian Agrell, Agrell Architectural Carving. What makes a good carving is not the carving itself. First of all, it's the design and having a good design. You can waste a lot of time carving a bad design and it's going to be a bad carving. What makes a good design? Well, you can see in these examples here, we have there's one thing in common. They sort of unwrap like springs, and there's a tension between the center as the leaves, for example, move out. The leaves are trying to escape, but they're being held back by the strong magnetic force of the center, being pulled back in, and it is creating that tension between the leaf, in this case wanting freedom, and the magnetic pull of the center. As it pulls it in, just as it thinks it's escaping, it's pulled back in all dimensions. So even the little piece in the middle here, which is what we call a flourish, has a sort of tension in the center there and holding it all together. Very, very important in good design. You can see the shapes aren't a pure sort of S shape. They're kind of unscrolling, and this is called off-suite. Suite being a perfect sort of S, and one side would balance the other, but here it's unwrapping, off-suite. Words taught to me by Arthur Ayres many years ago. So whether it's the panel at the top, very top left, which is from Versailles, or the more modern piece just to the right with a sort of sea anemone unfurling. All of these pieces show the off-suite and the tension. Very important.